Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the Shake 3 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, it's going to look like this, and we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, and then Nightclub. Scroll down to find the Shake 3 effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're going to find a moment in the clip where my sister messes up catching the phone. And so we're going to shorten it and elongate it to the end of the clip. So let's check it out. Also, hopefully you guys don't miss this, but you can mess with the special effects with the lateral chromatic aberration, which to be honest, I don't know what that means because it doesn't really change too much. I think it gives like a three-dimensional effect to it. And then you can mess with the speed and the longitudinal chromatic aberration. So let's check it out. And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.